The 9 Thieves of Ramadan. Ramadan is a sacred month for Muslims, dedicated to fasting, prayer, and spiritual growth. It is a time to strengthen one's connection with Allah and develop self-discipline, empathy, and purity. However, various distractions can diminish the rewards of Ramadan. These 9 Thieves of Ramadan can steal its blessings if one is not mindful. 1. Lack of intention, niyya. A sincere intention, niyya, is a foundation of fasting. Without a clear and heartfelt purpose to fast for Allah, the act becomes a mere routine. Fasting should be a spiritual endeavor rather than a cultural habit or a means to seek validation from others. 2. Neglect of prayer, salah. Ramadan is not just about abstaining from food and drink. It also emphasizes devotion through prayer. Missing obligatory prayers weakens one's connection with Allah and reduces the spiritual benefits of fasting. Consistent prayer fortifies faith and enhances the significance of fasting. 3. Excessive eating al-iftar. Overindulgence at iftar can lead to laziness, making it harder to engage in worship. Ramadan promotes moderation and self-restraint, but excessive eating contradicts these principles and shifts the focus from spirituality to indulgence. 4. Laziness and lack of productivity. Fasting should not be an excuse for inactivity. Ramadan is a time to engage in worship, charity, and self-improvement. Productivity, whether through Quran recitation, acts of kindness, or spiritual reflection, ensures one maximizes the month's blessings. 5. Gossip, namama, and backbiting, giva. Negative speech harms the soul and relationships. Engaging in gossip or backbiting can nullify the rewards of fasting. Being mindful of one's words and promoting positivity helps preserve the sanctity of Ramadan. 6. Overindulgence in social media and entertainment. Spending excessive time on social media and entertainment distracts from spiritual pursuits. Limiting digital consumption allows for greater focus on prayer, Quran recitation, and self-reflection. 7. Anger and impatience. Fasting teaches patience, but hunger can lead to irritability. Controlling one's temper and practicing tolerance are essential during Ramadan. Remaining calm and forgiving enhances the spiritual benefits of fasting. 8. Neglecting charity, zakat, and sadaqah. Charity purifies wealth and strengthens a community. Failing to give during Ramadan diminishes its blessings. Acts of generosity, whether through zakat, obligatory charity, or sadaqah, voluntary charity, bring immense rewards. 9. Worldly distractions and attachments. Excessive focus on material wealth, status, or worldly ambitions can divert attention from spiritual growth. Ramadan encourages detachment from materialism and prioritization of faith. Conclusion. To fully benefit from Ramadan, one must guard against these thieves. By maintaining sincerity, committing to prayer, practicing self-discipline, and engaging in acts of kindness, a person can maximize the spiritual rewards of this blessed month.